Hello, my name is China Polite, and I will be reviewing the eye. So I made an open eye and also a closed eye. So since I am reviewing both eyes, I'm going to talk about the open eye first because in our lecture, it goes over the anatomical features of the actual open eye. So as we can see, these are the eyelashes. I attached them. And this is the supercilium of the eye, and it's located near the eyebrow. And this area is also the orbital ridge as well. So along the supercilium is the superior orbital area. Next, we have the superior palpebrae. And the superior palpebrae is very, very important in funeral service because it has to be in congruence with the inferior palpebrae. For an example, this closed eye. This closed eyelid right here is closed at a 1/3 closure, and this is the inferior canthus. This is the superior canthus, and this is the inferior canthus. So when the eyelid is actually closed, they can't be overlapping each other. They have to be perfectly shut just like this. So I close them the correct way. Now back to the elements of the eye. This is the cilia of the eye, the upper and lower. And this happened to be the orbital pouch. This is the inner canthus. And it's right here, and it's near the tear duct area. Now, this area right here along the eye, along the eye is the nasal orbital fossa. The inner part of the eyes, we have the sclera, we have the pupil, we have the iris, a little bit of red veins for naturality, and also the cornea, which is the clear part of the eye. So the eye is the organ of vision and is very, very important in funeral service. Setting features is very important as well because it has a lot to do with the eye closure, examining the eye, making sure it's clean, ensuring that the eyelids aren't overlapping each other, and making sure that we embalm properly, because when we don't embalm properly, then there's a possibility that the eyes can bulge out of a human being's head. Eyes can have particular diseases, and eyes can also suffer from some form of discoloration, from jaundice, and all of these other forms of things. So it's so important to protect the eyes with different doctoral checkups or Visine, proper nurture, cleaning them properly, and things of that nature. I learned that when someone may be dealing with eye discoloration, we have different type of bleaching agents to help clean the eye or make it look a little bit lighter. Or when the eye may seem to be bulging out, we can use some type of compress or an electric spatula to help sink the eye back in. And that may be a case where the formaldehyde or the embalming solution that we have created has had a negative effect on the eye. So we have to go back and we have to correct it. These tear ducts in the eyes are very, very important as well because it helps give a lot of moisture to the actual eyeball, which is needed so the eyes do not be dry. And the eyelids are just as important as well, because not only the eyelids but the eyelashes, they protect the eyes from debris and a lot of things like that. So overall, I think that this was a very good project, and I learned a lot about the eyes, and it looks fairly good.